Welcome to the OptiClimate RevomaxII video series. The RevomaX requires a continuous, clean and cool water supply to operate efficiently. This can be achieved by either connecting it to an open-tap water supply or by creating a closed-loop system with a water cooler. It's essential that the incoming water temperature always stays below 25 degrees Celsius. In this video, we'll explore the closed-loop setup using a water cooler. The most common, easy and accessible option is to use PE-Tylene piping with quick connectors. In this video, we'll show you a great alternative using PVCC. In a closed-loop system, a water pump circulates the water. Once filled, the system can run indefinitely. It's the most common and environmentally friendly option, no matter your climate. For advice on what cooler you need, contact your dealer or visit us at airluxtechnologies.com. Today we'll guide you through 7 easy steps to build your closed-loop setup. Before we begin, make sure to install the water cooler outside the building with enough room to ensure proper airflow for both intake and exhaust. Now let's begin to connect the RevomaxII to the water cooler and water pump. Step 1. Start by determining the length and route of your piping to choose the right diameter. For shorter distances, standard 32mm PVC piping is usually fine. For longer distances or routes with many bends, larger pipes may be needed to maintain water flow. Every setup is unique. Consult a professional for help selecting the right diameter. Ensure that the RevomaxII, the water cooler and the pump are properly installed and easily accessible. Step 2. Attach the supplied connectors to the RevomaxII's inlet and outlet. Always use Teflon thread on threaded metal connections to ensure a watertight seal. We'll be using PVC piping, which needs to be glued. Determine the highest point in your installation and place the air bleeder there. Install drainage taps and valves on both the inlet and outlet lines. This allows you to shut off water or drain the system if needed. This step is optional but highly recommended. Step 3. Continue the piping from the RevomaxII inlet to the water cooler outlet. Add a T-connector and prepare it for a temperature sensor. Then install the sensor. Step 4. Now connect the water pump. Start by attaching an air separator to the pump's inlet. From the pump's outlet, prepare 2 ports, one for a manometer and one for a pressure sensor. Once the glue is dry, install the manometer and pressure sensor. Now install a water valve to shut down water flow in case of errors. Continue the piping to the cooler's inlet. Again, glue the PVC joints properly and use Teflon on all metal connections. At this point, the line from the pump outlet to the cooler inlet is complete. Step 5. Step 5. Next, connect the RevomaxII outlet to the pump's inlet. You've already installed the air separator. Continue piping in the direction of the RevomaxII and create 3 ports, one for a manometer, one for a pressure sensor, and one for a temperature sensor. Once the preparations are in place, install the sensors. Step 6. This step is optional, but highly recommended. To stabilize water pressure under all conditions, install an expansion vessel just outside the loop using a T-connector. On that same T, install a pressure relief valve and a filling tap. The relief valve protects the loop from overpressure. Then finish the piping to the RevomaxII outlet. Step 5. Let's take care of the condensation outlet. When dehumidifying, the RevomaxII produces condensation water that must be drained. Install or create a P-trap to prevent air from entering through the condensation outlet. Direct the pipe to a reservoir or a proper drainage system. The complete setup should look like this. Make sure all piping is glued and Teflon is used in the metal connections. Congratulations! Your RevomaxII closed-loop water piping system is now complete. To finish the setup, continue with the basic control setup video or check our installation manual for the advanced control setup. Thanks for watching.